Hi, Manny. How are you? All right. So you're going to tell me how planes were invented and how we got the idea. And it was through pterodactyls. I got to hear this one. Okay, go ahead.
That's right. I'm going to tell you about how planes were invented. Long, long time ago, there was dinosaurs. And then there was also pterodactyls. Pterodactyls flew just like airplanes. And they looked close to airplanes, so that's where we got the idea. But they were so smooth. You got your birds. They fly good too, but the pterodactyl had style. Flew smooth. And that is how we got our airplanes. Because they took it and they copied the idea from the pterodactyl. So there.